Hi there, James Martin here, immigration attorney from Sarasota, Florida, with a nationwide practice. I can help you in any of the 50 states with your immigration problems or issues. You're very aware that the United States has entered into a very difficult time in its history as the political situation has become difficult for immigrants. Now, I want you to think about this in terms of what it means for you. For most people, their daily lives will not change very much. They will watch the news and they may become upset, but more things will remain the same than change. For many of my clients, however, who are undocumented, this is an unprecedented time. The United States has decided to implement very, very strict immigration laws. And it's very important that you remain abreast of what's going on, and we're here to help you. So what do you do in troubled times like these? The first thing is to stay informed. Know what's going on and know your rights. We can help you with that. That's what we're here for. For those of you who may be undocumented and are in fear, we can tell you what your rights are, and we can give you paperwork that will help you to transition in the event that we all hope does not occur if you are picked up by immigration. But let's be a little bit more positive than that. Because of the uncertainty of these times, many of you are very worried about your future. And you may have the right to be so because this is something really unprecedented. But my view on this is that we spend so much of our time wondering what disaster is going to befall us that we don't take the time to live our life. So what I would say to you is get informed. We can give you a packet of information that will tell you your rights. One of the things that I would advise you to do is be aware of your rights as an immigrant or just as someone here. If you will look below, we have included on this channel a link to a document that can help you be ready in the event that immigration should stop you. Also in this document, we talk about other measures that you can take to protect yourself. For example, having on your phone proof of 2 years of presence in the United States can make all the difference in the world. Also, it might not be a bad idea to speak with an attorney and have a document that the attorney is representing you. We can give you that document and it can be helpful. There are all kinds of things that you can do. So I would say be informed, know what's going on. Know your surroundings. Don't go to places where you think the authorities may be looking for you, but also live your life. So once you've taken all of these measures, look at the news maybe once a day, but no more. It doesn't evolve that quickly. You're not going to miss something. Do not be tied to the social media and your phone and notifications. Live your life the best that you possibly can. Because once you've taken the measures to protect yourself as reasonably as you possibly can, then there's nothing left to do. It's left to fate or God or the universe. And you need to be there for your family, for your wife, your husband, your kids, your extended family. And if you are consumed by worry, nobody gets ahead but those who wish to intimidate you and the government. So what's my conclusion about all this? I've been around probably a lot longer than I'd like to admit. I'm in my early 60s, and so I've been around immigration law for the better part of 40 years. Yep, this is the toughest time that I have seen. But we are products of our time, and we're not put here by chance. We're chosen for the time in which we live, so we must be brave, and we must move forward together. If you want to help, if you would like to have help, then we're here for you. There is a form below if you want to contact our office and kind of describe your situation. We'll try to reach out to you. If we can help, we'll help. If we can't, we'll tell you we can't help. But we are here for you. These are tough times, and we'll get through it together.